Airbus is one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers and the only true competitor to Boeing in global commercial aviation. But unlike Boeing, Airbus was not started by a single founder. It was born from a political and industrial decision. Airbus was established in 1970 as a joint European venture between France, Germany, the UK, and later Spain. The goal was clear: challenge American dominance in aircraft manufacturing and build a competitive European aerospace industry. At the time, US manufacturers controlled most of the global market. Airbus changed that. Its first aircraft, the A300, entered service in 1974 and became the world's first twin-engine wide-body jet. The A300 proved that two engines could efficiently handle long-haul routes, influencing aircraft design for decades. Airbus truly transformed aviation in the late 1980s with the A320. The A320 introduced digital fly-by-wire controls to commercial aviation, replacing mechanical linkages with electronic systems. It also pioneered cockpit commonality, allowing pilots to transition between Airbus aircraft with minimal retraining, a major cost advantage for airlines. Today, the A320 family is one of the best-selling aircraft lines in history and forms the backbone of many airline fleets. In long-haul markets, Airbus competes with aircraft like the A350, designed for fuel efficiency and long-range performance. Then there was the A380. Introduced in 2007, the A380 became the world's largest passenger aircraft, capable of carrying over 500 passengers in typical configurations. It was built around the belief that mega hubs would dominate global travel. While passengers loved its comfort, airline demand shifted towards smaller, more flexible long-range jets, and A380 production ended in 2021. Beyond manufacturing, Airbus earns revenue through services, support, and defense and space programs, making it a major aerospace group, not just a plane maker. Today, Airbus often leads global aircraft orders and deliveries, reflecting strong demand for fuel-efficient narrow-body jets. More than 50 years after its creation, Airbus represents a successful example of multinational industrial cooperation and a company that helped reshape how airlines choose, operate, and standardize their fleets.